Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to print pattern programs or how to print pyramids in Python. Suppose I want to print this pyramid that is 1 1 2 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4 5. So here that is I have 5 rows 1 2 3 4 5, and each row contains what? First row contains a single column, your second row contains 2 columns, your third row contains 3 columns, your fourth row contains 4 columns or 4 values, and your fifth row contains what? 5 values or 5 columns. So how to do that? So first I have to take a for loop for row, that is for I in range, that is 1 comma, that is 6. Then for your j loop is for column, that is for j in range, that is 1 comma I plus 1. Now print, that is j, I want to give space, that is and equal to space. Then for creating new line, that is only print function. Then set the code. You can save inside any folder. Suppose pyramid1.py. Now run this code. So this is the output, that is 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So here I loop is taken for your row and j loop is taken for your column, means each row contains your values. For these values your j loop is used. That is for I in range. Range is a predefined function and is used to generate a range of values from lower limit to higher limit or within lower to higher limit. So your lower limit is for or starting value is 1, your stop value is for 6. Your stop value itself is not counted. That means it creates numbers from 1 to 5. So now 1 gets to inside I, then it enters into the inner loop, that is j loop, for j in range, that is 1 comma I plus 1. Here your value starts from 1, that's why here that is 1. Now I plus 1, I means what? 1 1 plus 1, that is 2. That means it creates range of values, that is only 1 because 2 itself is not counted. Now this value gets printed, that is print j, means 1 gets printed. Then end equals space means it gives space on the same line. Now 1 gets printed, then space is given. Then your j loop is what? False. Now print, only your print statement creates a new line, then it goes to the what? I loop. Then 2 gets to inside I, then enters into the j loop. Again j value starts from 1. Now 1 comma, that is I means 2, 2 plus 1, that is what? 3. That means creates a range of values, that is 1 and 2 because 3 itself is not counted. Now 1 gets to inside j, now print j. Now 1 gets printed, then end equals space. Now space is given. Then 2 gets to inside j, now 2 gets printed, then space is given. Then your 3 is not counted, now this loop is false. Now control means goes out of this loop body. Now print, your print statement creates a new line, Then again 3 gets to inside where I. Now enters into the j loop. Now j in range, that is 1 comma I means 3, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4. That means it creates a range of values, that is 1 up to further, that is 3. Okay, because 4 itself is not counted. Now it prints values, that is print j, 1 gets printed, then space is given, then 2 gets printed, then 3 gets printed. Okay, now the j loop is not executed. Now print statement creates a further new line. Again it enters into the, that is I loop. Now 4 gets to inside I, and again it enters into the inner loop j, that is 1 comma 4 plus 1. It creates a range of values, that is from 1 to up to 4. Now 1 2 3 4 gets printed, like that 1 2 3 4 5 gets printed. Your I loop gets a range of value, that is 1 up to 5, because 6 is that is 6 itself is not counted. 6 is the stop value. So now the entire loop body is false. So this is our pyramid, and finally we got our pyramid or pattern. So thank you very much.